Today I'm going to be baking chocolate raspberry crumb tarts. The ingredients for the base are butter, brown sugar, plain flour, and a little bit of inline pink salt. Put the brown sugar in your mixing bowl with the butter and you cream it till it turns pale yellow. Now we put the flour and the salt. If you notice this recipe, we do not use any egg. Once you mix the dough well, take about a quarter of the dough and put aside. This is for the crumbs later. Line baking tray with baking paper and put a little bit of flour. And put the dough and pat it as you can. Now the dough you have spread it evenly on the tray, you can start poking it with a fork. This is how it looks like when it's out of the oven. Now I'm going to show you how to do the toppings. The ingredients for the topping are chocolate. I melt it and I put some thickened cream. Raspberry jams that I heated up a bit so it will be more loosened up. Chocolate chips. And also the balanced batter just now. Now I show you how I do it. First I'm going to put the chocolate as evenly as you could. This is how the chocolate look like when you evenly spread it. You don't have to be perfect because you're going to put other ingredients in it. Now I'm just going to drizzle some jam all over it. If you like to layer it, you also can do it. Don't have to be perfect. Like what I said, you're going to put some other things on top of it. Okay, now I'm going to throw some chocolate chip. Last but not least is the crumbles. The crumble, you just drop it, bits and pieces everywhere. This is the finished look. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's done, I'll show you how it looks like.
I choose to cut the tart into mid-sized squares and add some raspberry as garnishing. Make sure it's completely cool before cutting. You may want to refrigerate it for a while. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Catch you in my next video. Bye!